This is it right here. This is the haircut that most parents dislike the most because all of their teenage kids want to wear their hair like this, even younger than teens, all right? This is the famous TikTok hairstyle that I've done dozens upon dozens of tutorials on. This has been on the news, all over the internet, all over social media, all over TikTok. This is it. And why do parents dislike this the most? Well, if you're a parent watching this, I'm gonna share with you a couple things, okay? I know you don't like this because you feel the hair is in the eyes, it looks very, very messy, it's, looks like it's very unkept, you want it off their face to show their nice face, but at the same time, this is a very, very, very stylish, trendy haircut. And I'm sure when you cared a lot about your hair, you want to look very stylish and trendy, right? So why can't your kids, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. They could have a 4.0 GPA. They could be playing, varsity sports or JV sports. They could be great, great, great kids. But if you're letting their hair get you upset because you think they can't see, you think they look like the hair's messy, let them be happy. Trust me. It's the easiest thing you can do as a parent is let your kids be happy, all because of their hair. So why is this such a popular hairstyle? Why does every teen, every person want this? Because the fact that it's all over social media. It's also kind of cool to have longer hair for a change. I know traditionally you think, younger kids and, oh, let him get the buzz cut and really, really short and spiked up and he looks so handsome with his hair short. And yeah, I get all that. But times have changed and children and individuals want to feel confident and feel good about themselves. So they revert or they want to have this type of hairstyle. Now, if you are a supportive parent and you are okay with them wearing this hairstyle, but the challenge actually is finding the right person to cut their hair like this, that could be a challenge in itself where you're all about them looking like this and having awesome hair, but you've taken them to 19 barbers and they all destroy and butcher the haircut. Well, that's because you're not really finding the right person. I would suggest trying maybe a hairstylist, okay, instead of just bring them to a random local barber shop and a place that doesn't really know how to do haircuts like this. Try your own hairstylist, try a different approach, because this haircut, parents, this haircut involves a lot of haircutting skills, right? There's no skin tight fades into here. This could be cut either all by hand or you can use like a longer clipper on it. This is all, layered and blended in and all sorts of stuff going on through here and really understanding how to shape and style the hair with using tools like, round brushes or, styling sprays and hairsprays and a blow dryer. There's all sorts of things involved in this type of haircut that you may actually be taking your child to the wrong type of professional, right? They may need to go to someone else who does more of this type of work than you think, oh, I'm taking my son to a barber shop. They may not even do these types of haircuts, okay? So when it comes to this type of haircut, right, and this type of hairstyle, I have something called the TikToker Hairstyle Kit, which I know many, many of you are purchasing for your kids. But if you go to shop.TheSalonGuy.com, I'll have my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray, which is the spray that you spray onto the hair while the hair's wet. That's gonna give it that texture. Maybe 3, 4, 5 spritzes while the hair's wet, damp, let it settle onto the hair. Then I've got my round brush, the TikToker round brush, which is this brush right here. It's a great brush. And it says it has the Salon Guy on it right here. As you can see, this is my official brush. It's ceramic and ionic. So a lot of technology in this brush. And then I also, if you are interested, I'm still here, don't worry. I have a blow dryer as well, which you can use as a parent. The whole household can use this brush and blow dryer because it's travel size. You can fold it like this so you can travel with it easily. It has a consistent heat temperature, so it's not going to get any hotter or singe or burn the hair. So the way you work this in style is you see all these flips. These are layers. The haircut needs to have layers in order for your child to be able to flip it up. So the brush The tidal wave, the blow dryer, it's all going to work in sync and help get that hairstyle. As you can see, I'm creating the flips going back and up, and I'm stretching the hair and pulling the hair and making sure I'm really working the hair. This is all very essential. Think about when you're styling your hair, or you go to the hairdresser and they're sitting there for 19 days trying to blow dry your hair straight or make it's the same thing. You have to put effort into this haircut for it to look good. And then, last but not least, it comes with also my locked hairspray, which again, you can use yourself as a parent. This is what locks in the style. You just spray some on like this and let it sit, and there you go. It helps lock in the hairstyle, and then you're good to go. So it's on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. It's called the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. It's literally all over the internet, this thing. We've done press releases on it. It's been, on the news. I mean, this haircut is the most popular haircut I've ever seen, right, since I've been a hairstylist, that so many people want to get. But just make sure that you take them to the right person. Now, if you are the individual who wants this haircut and you're having some challenges with your parents maybe not wanting you to have this because they dislike it so much, just have a talk with them. Say, hey, look, I'm a good kid. I'm doing great in school. It's just my hair. It could be a lot worse. I don't feel confident about myself. I really want to feel good about myself. And if you really do love me, please let me be myself and have this really awesome haircut. It's not like you're shaving your head completely. You're getting tattoos all over your face. I mean, this is a haircut. So maybe talk to them and express to them that this is going to really make you happy, and work with them on finding. And also, here's what you do. Say, okay, how about this? I'll get this haircut and I'll keep it maintained, AKA spending their money to just get a light trim. Don't hate me, parents, but I know a lot of times okay, as long as you keep it neat, that's fine. You're all so wrapped up on keeping it neat. Well, fine. Have them get a cut every 4 to 6 weeks to make it look basically the same, all right? So there's that thing. But yeah, you can keep it out of the face. You can keep it out of the eyes like this, all right? You see? You can see the eyes right there. And granted, maybe when you wake up, it may be in your face, but once you style it, you're good to go. So if you are interested in purchasing the kit, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20. If you're a parent, surprise your kids with this. They're gonna love it. They have already seen my videos about this hairstyle. And if you are looking to get this yourself, just use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and it's free shipping on orders over $50 in the United States after the discount code's applied. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.